As a web designer, we often come across problems. Sometimes these problems are on a daily basis. Anyhow, about a year ago I had a major headache, and that was on how I was going to set up a new website for my client. They wanted a small e-commerce website, and they needed to be able to update and add products to the site. This was not the problem. The problem was I needed to technically use one page to carry this out. As with all e-commerce websites, I started to write down their requirements so that I had a better understanding and an image in my head of what was required. In short, they required the following: a home page showing their latest products, a category page for each category, a product page with a short description, price, and up to 3 product images, both large and thumbnail versions. After several cups of coffee and several head-scratching moments, I sketched up a rough diagram of the website. Looking at the website structure, I realised that there was a pattern and there was a solution. I managed to create a solution, and it was staring me right in the face. That one small file that gets overlooked, used, and it causes endless problems for web designers. Yes, it's that little file called .htaccess. With this file, I knew that I could use it to detect the page that was required, whether it was the home page, the category page, a product page, or if the page couldn't be found, I could display a 404 error message and say, sorry, this page could not be found. All I needed to do was create one page called index.php, and this was going to be my engine to drive the entire website. The URL could be read, it could be split up, and it was one of those pages that was required. Then I could simply display the required outcome. Once I realised this, I never looked back. It basically was one page with different methods of displaying the content. This provided me with a robust and easy to use template to build the entire website upon. How I did this is covered in a video later on, and all the code that I use is covered in this article.